Have you ever wished your money could work for you, even while you sleep? Imagine earning cash as you dream. Thanks to the magic of passive income, it's like planting a money tree. Do the work once, and watch it grow. Passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building steady streams that flow into your life. Why does this matter? Because it gives you freedom. Freedom to spend time how you want, and a cushion for your future. One of the oldest and most reliable ways to create passive income? Real estate. Land. Buildings. Homes. Real estate is tangible, timeless, and always in demand. You don't need to be a millionaire. Real estate is more accessible than ever. It's a journey anyone can start, with curiosity and a willingness to learn. Real estate lets you turn your money into a partner that works for you. So let's explore how you can make your money work, even while you sleep. Ready to plant your own money tree? Let's dive in. Real estate investing comes in three main flavors. First, the classic long-term rentals. Buy a property, rent it out, and collect steady monthly income. Second, vacation rentals. Think Airbnb. Rent to travelers for higher nightly rates but expect more hands-on work. Third, real estate crowdfunding. Invest small amounts with others in big projects. No landlord duties required. Each path offers unique benefits: stability, excitement, or accessibility. You don't need a fortune to start. Just pick the flavor that fits your goals. Real estate investing isn't an exclusive club anymore. Whether you want steady cash flow, higher returns, or a hands-off approach, there's an option for you. The key is to choose what excites you and matches your resources. The doors are open. Just step through. Which flavor will you try first? The possibilities are endless. Let's see how to get started. Ready to start? Here's your step-by-step map. First, learn everything you can. Read, watch, listen, and talk to experienced investors. Next, save for your down payment. Every dollar brings you closer to your goal. Then, hunt for the right property. Look for good locations, strong rental demand, and solid numbers. Do your homework, research the market, compare rents, and run the math. Once you find the right place, secure financing. Show lenders you're prepared and responsible. With the keys in hand, find great tenants or partners, and let the income stream begin. Each step builds your confidence in your future. You don't need to rush, just keep moving forward. Real estate investing is a journey, not a sprint. With knowledge, savings, and smart choices, you can become a real estate investor. The map is clear. Just follow it. Your adventure starts now. Let's talk about the risks. Every adventure has risks. Real estate is no different. Bad tenants can cause trouble, but careful screening protects you. Vacancies mean lost income, so choose desirable properties and keep a cash reserve. Maintenance surprises happen. Budget for repairs and inspect before buying. The market can go up or down. Focus on cash flow, not quick profits. Long-term thinking helps you weather ups and downs. Know the risks, and you can manage them. Real estate isn't risk-free, but smart planning turns challenges into opportunities. Prepare your shields and swords before you start. With the right mindset, you can handle the dragons. Risks are part of the journey, but they don't have to stop you. Now, let's take your first step. Here's how to begin. You've learned the basics. Now it's time to act. Your first step doesn't have to be huge. Read a book, open a savings account, or talk to an investor friend. Start small, but start today. Real estate investing is possible for anyone willing to learn and take action. The pride of owning an asset, the security of extra income, and the freedom it brings are within reach. It's not just about money, it's about building a life on your terms. Take control of your financial future, one step at a time. The adventure is waiting for you. Don't let fear hold you back. Start learning, start saving, start dreaming. Passive income isn't just a dream, it's a plan you can follow. Your journey begins now. Go build something spectacular.